What's up, y'all? We're back again with another challenge. The hot pepper chicken challenge. Everybody's gonna eat these 7 sauces. We've got Sophia, Alex, and Zoe. And these sauces, they have to conquer these sauces. So the first one they're gonna try is Frank's Red Hot. All right, guys.
Is this
That's it, honey.
First one right there.
Now, if it gets a little hot, Sophia, you can drink some milk. That's what that milk's there for.
I don't need it.
Can't wait to see you cry.
Yeah, hi.
On a spice level.
I give it like a 2. It's I taste it, but
Yeah.
it don't burn.
Is it good, Sophia?
Hot.
No.
You can drink milk if you want to.
Don't drink it all though.
We have more
Yeah.
if you need to drink it.
Yeah, I give it like a 2.
All
2,
right.
1.5.
Okay.
A 2. It's not that hot at all.
I'm done chewing, and then tomorrow we can do the hot chips.
Oh, you want to do hot chips?
Ooh, hot chips wouldn't be that bad.
Hot chip challenge, that'll be cool.
Oh, we'll have to
Okay.
get talking. This is our next plan for the next video.
All right, guys. Let's try the next one. That is the Louisiana Hot. A little hotter.
Yeah,
Not too bad, though. You see, these sauces are the ones that we frequent a lot at our house, so they're pretty good. We're the Southern anyway,
Ready for the
so
next one?
we like it a little spicy.
Is this the
No, the other one. Yeah, there you go. What do you think? About the same?
Mm-hmm.
Is it any different?
Yeah, spice too, but I mean, it's not like a oh my god, I need milk type of stuff.
Yeah.
You still think it's hot? Yeah.
Sophia has a little temporary to her hot.
Well, Sophia is 4.
We're making
So-
a challenge for me not to drink no milk at all.
All right. Well, that's your personal challenge.
All right, so that one.
So we got these 2 out of the way.
Now I think.
All
this one's a
right.
little more
The
harder.
next one is sriracha.
That's not that bad.
You're still chewing? Okay.
She had a bigger piece than us.
Well, once you're done chewing, then we'll take a little drink if you need to. Or are you fine?
Huh?
All right, get your little drink.
I think this sriracha's gonna be more hot. I have a feeling it is.
Sriracha is just different.
Yeah, it is different.
All right, the next one is sriracha. This is one of my favorites because I like Chinese food. I like Chinese food a lot.
Chinese food?
You
Yeah.
ready, Soph? This one.
My
Get your
challenge
sriracha.
pizza.
Which one, Mom?
The one at the end.
This one?
No. No, yeah.
This one's sweet.
Yeah, but it's got like a almost
Definitely
like a,
more hot than those. I like it.
I like it because it's got like a pepper, like a bell pepper
I ain't
taste.
gonna lie, I'll probably give that one like
Hot.
a 3.5, 4. That one's kind of hot.
The aftertaste hot.
You know what? We got a garbage can over there. It's
I got a really strong
the
piece, so I'm good.
Yeah. Okay. Are we ready for the next piece?
Yes, ma'am.
It looks good.
All right. The next piece is the Goya salsita. It's the arbol chilies
Yeah.
hot sauce, salsa picante. So let's try that one.
Is that this one?
Nope, it's the next one.
All right.
No, right there. We're going in a line. So we're on this one.
I was but
That one is like a season.
Is it
It tastes
That's
really
not
good.
hot at all.
really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, cool. Something new to cook with.
Yeah.
Gotta try something new.
It's like a salsa.
I thought
Really?
that thing was ready to be hot.
But it's
By the
good.
look of it. It tastes pretty good.
You think it'd be good in rice?
Oh yeah.
It's a good.
it's spicy and sweet.
It's
You
really
like it?
sweet.
Is that what's your favorite one so far?
I feel like the hottest
I would
one's
give
probably
it
gonna
a
be.
10.
Oh, this one.
You would give it a 10?
That's
All
that
right,
one.
kiddo.
That's
have
like
to-
Okay, so are we gonna do the next one?
black
Yes.
lemon.
The next one is the Cholula hot sauce, the original. It's a jalapeno based
it
hot
this
sauce.
one?
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
I got a feeling.
That one's a little hot. A little spice to it.
Not too much. What do you think, Soph?
It's hot.
Really?
Stugging it out.
It's not hot.
Look at you.
It's not spicy for
Well,
me.
y'all know that she's foreign, so I was a little
Yeah.
easier on her. I just felt like a couple drops. Good.
This
This
one's
one-
easy.
Yeah.
That one's not hot.
I think Sriracha is probably the hottest one so far.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
They're not hot.
Now we're down to the
Now we're down to the Mac Daddies. We got one that's called the Hell Hot and one that's called No Wimps Allowed. All right, fellow ladies and gents, let's the last one, which will be this one, the second last one. So get that one. Yeah.
Cut the seasoning.
Ready?
I
Let's do
dropped
it.
it in the paper towel in there.
That's okay.
They
Oh,
don't taste good. It has a weird taste. It's not spicy.
It's not spicy, y'all.
Mm-mm.
It's weird. It's like,
That's like a Grippo.
yeah, I don't know, something like
Okay,
that.
spit it out.
She don't like it.
She said
That's
that's
like a Grippo.
really. And if for everybody who doesn't know what a Grippo is, that's a type of barbecue hot chip that we have down in the South. Mainly in Louisville, Kentucky. It's hard to find them further north, but they're pretty good. So that one's pretty gross. She's like, nope. All right, we got the last one. It's called No Whips Allowed. Last one.
You ready?
Let's see what it's about.
I ate already.
What are you thinking?
It's not hot.
That's the one that tastes like a Big Mac.
It's not hot.
It does.
Like a Big Mac?
It's hot.
Is it hot? You gonna finish eating it?
I think that one is Sriracha is pretty. That,
But the sriracha was the hottest out of all the sauces we got.
that's the hottest one, actually. That's
Do you think this would be good on something?
No, the aftertaste. The aftertaste gets y'all.
Yeah, buddy.
yeah, that's the hottest one for sure.
Yeah.
What's the second hottest?
Sriracha.
Really?
I picked both of those out. Oh, I hope y'all.
That was pretty hot.
I'm pooping.
This one hot? All right.
I ate the seed.
Sophia, what do you think? Drink some more milk.
Can't even do it. You know me, I gotta stick to my roots. Don't look for me.
Okay, knucklehead. That's Johnny Badass right there.
I'll give it a 5.
I ain't going
Is your
down.
mouth hurting still?
My mouth just got
Give her a
open
piece
up.
of bread.
That
If
one's
we got a
probably
piece
like-
of bread, give her a piece of bread.
That one's probably like a 7.
We need one.
That's like a 7
It's
or
pretty
8.
hot. It's the after.
Seeds.
Oh. She said, give me that bread. That'll chill out the heat. Please.
Please. Sorry, y'all.
Alex, do you need milk?
No.
She's sucking it out.
Been a gangster since I was born.
Watch, the hoes know y'all way down.
Well. All right, Sophia. You
Hey, it
made
tastes
it.
pretty good. That was
You
pretty
made the challenge.
5.
All
If
right.
I had $1, I would give it to you, but I'm broke.
Oh God, Sophia's only 4 years old and she's over here doing this.
Hey, she did the sour candy challenge.
The
Funny.
faces she made, oh my God, it was so funny.
All right, well, our challenge is over, and we'll be having one soon. We're looking forward to doing our hot chip challenge soon, and we got a couple more up our sleeves. So the next time we'll see y'all soon. Have a good day.
Bye.
See ya.
Have a good time.
Subscribe.
Subscribe the channel and hit the bell.